The Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to have already been opened by someone. 2 images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the phone and packaging were sent by a user on Twitter. In the most recent photo, both the phone and the frame are colored gold. This time, the front screen is hidden, but the intriguing side view showcases the phone's new titanium frame, which is renowned for being both robust and light, in a visually appealing way. This is comparable to the technology seen in Apple's most recent P-of-line phone. The newly released images unmistakably show that this year's S24 Ultra will have a fully flat screen instead of Samsung's customary curved one. The box is also visible in both images. Regrettably, nothing is seen inside the box in the second image, which shows the box open after it has been closed in the first. The Samsung Unpacked event, where the new Galaxy S24 series will be presented, is slated for January 17th. It's typical for some devices to be spotted outside the business prior to such occasions. We now have another leak, following the recent one that revealed the S24 Extreme model. With a few pictures. Thorough sneak peeks at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra advertising materials, along with those for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, have been made available by trustworthy sources. Tech industry veteran Evan Bland provided some excellent pictures with us that show off some of the cutting-edge features Samsung intends to include in these phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and the enhanced Galaxy Artificial Intelligence are being promoted by Samsung as the 2 main features, and the Galaxy Artificial Intelligence is clearly stated in the promotional materials, suggesting that a primary focus will be on this cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. And a cause for delight for admirers of Samsung merchandise. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's capability to circle to conduct a Google search is a noteworthy feature. Without taking a screenshot, users may search for any content on their screen, including text, images, and videos, using the Circle It function. Users only need to tap, scroll, highlight, or circle the particular thing they're interested in. Notable camera advancements on the Galaxy S24 Ultra include an impressive 200-megapixel primary camera, 8K video capture, and an astounding 100x spatial zoom. These qualities imply that the phone will provide a remarkable photography and filmmaking experience, especially for those who appreciate sophisticated photographic capabilities in their smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.